You work hard. Every month, money comes in. And yet somehow, you're always broke. Ever wonder why? It's not just bad luck. It's not inflation. It's a system designed to keep you stuck. But today, we're going to break that system. Here's why you're always broke, and exactly how to fix it. Let's start with the truth. Reason number 1. You don't know where your money goes. Most people don't track their spending. They think they know, but they don't. That $4 coffee, the $12 lunch, the I deserve this Amazon order, it all adds up. Until one day, your bank account says LOL. The fix? Track every dollar. Apps, spreadsheets, even paper. You can't fix what you don't see. Reason number 2, you're living paycheck to paycheck by choice. Sounds harsh, but hear me out. If you earn $3,000 a month and spend $3,000 a month, you're not surviving. You're voluntarily broke. The problem isn't income, it's lifestyle inflation. You make more, so you spend more. The fix? Pay yourself first. Take 10 to 20% of your income and save it the moment it hits your account. No questions, no excuses. Reason number 3, you're using debt to feel rich. If you use credit to buy things you couldn't afford with cash, you're not rich, you're trapped. Credit card debt is financial quicksand. It feels like freedom, but it's slowly sinking your future. The fix? Stop using credit for stuff you don't need and start attacking your debt. Smallest balance first or highest interest rate? Just pick a method and go. Reason number 4, you treat money emotionally. Bad day? You buy something. Lonely, new shoes, bored, online shopping. But feelings don't pay the bills. Discipline does. The fix? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything non-essential. Impulse dies in silence. Reason number 5, you don't have a plan. Most people wing it, no budget, no goals, just vibes. But vibes don't build wealth. The fix? Every month, set 3 goals. 1 savings goal, 1 spending limit, 1 habit to improve. Simple, clear, actionable. Now let's flip the script. Here's how to stop being broke. Step 1. Build a budget that doesn't suck. Use the 50-30-20 method. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. Make it flexible. Make it real. And stick to it. Step 2. Automate everything. If you rely on willpower, you'll lose, so don't. Automate your savings. Automate your bills. Automate your investments. Let your money work while you sleep. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Start with $1,000, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. No, it's not exciting, but it's your safety net and your peace of mind. Step 4. Focus on growing your income. Saving is essential, but you can only cut so much. Look for skills you can sell, side hustles, freelance gigs, or leveling up in your career. More income means more options. Final step? Be patient. Broke isn't permanent, unless you act like it is. Wealth is built one smart decision at a time, and it starts right now. If this hit home, hit that subscribe button, because you're not meant to stay broke. You're meant to break free. This is the Millionaire Script, and your new money story starts today.